everybody, it's Neil and welcome to my couch, whatever. But here I'm going to show you this. This is a, it's a little LED light thing. So if you've seen sometimes like people's cars in the back of the car, they have a little light facing out the back and it's like showing some whatever words or something like that. And this gives you the opportunity to do that. So this here kind of, there's a little instruction manual with a little reference of where you can put it up. And then I guess it's, here I'll open up the whole thing. And it's, so, okay, so you have an app to install, and I've actually done this already. So this one here, I'm reopening it because I'm recording it on my phone and I don't have, I'm not able to do the app. So I'm just gonna have to explain it to you and go that way. And then, so they have the QR code. So this is the device here. So it's basically a little LED, thing. And then you also, it comes with the power adapter, which goes into USB. So you can plug it into a battery pack or plug it into your car. I'm gonna open this thing up and pull out a little bit of it to connect it up to, here we go, that's probably enough. It's really long and I don't want to tangle it up. That's why I'm just not opening it all up right now inside. Once I put it in the car, it'll go everywhere. But this will reach. So then, plug it in here. I just have an outlet in the wall. Okay. Engine start. And then it comes with these, which are these suction cups, so you can connect it to the car. So you could connect it up in here, so you can do that. Whatever. I guess I have to release it all. There. So you'll do it like this, and then suction it up to the bottom or the top. You can just do it with one at the top, suction it up there, or bottom, or both, or whatever like that. But you can see here, so you can see what I've done here. So I have put on like a few different pictures. So it came with a bunch of different pictures. This is my dog. So it came with these little lights, just so you can kind of have it going at night and have people scaring. These are some more dogs. And then here's just more one here. And so I have it set up to just rotate with these, but you can send it from your phone and you can see the picture comes out really good for just a bunch of little pixels. So this one here, I think is the 64 by 64 pixel one. So it's got more. So if you get one of those ones that only has 32, you probably won't be able to get a picture of a dog or something like that on there. But this one here is a 64 by 64 and it gets super duper bright. I don't think I have it on the brightest now, but I did connect it from my phone. So I'm can't go and show you guys the app at the moment, but you get the concept of it. And so you can do this stuff and have it sitting out in the back of your car. You can put pictures on it, you can send it, and you can do it from your phone, super easy. And I think there's even like voice commands for it and stuff like that. So you could just go and say, screw you to the guy behind you, and it'll put up the word screw you or something like that, or stop following so close, or baby on board, or whatever. You could just have it do whatever and say whatever and send different pictures. So this is kind of it. Or you could just use it inside. I mean, this is inside my house right now. I could put it on my window out there so as neighbors go by, they can see it. I guess during the holidays, you could have it displaying some holiday things. So if you just wanted to have it inside and be displaying, some patriotic stuff, you could. And for like, I don't know, it's like $100 or something. It's not a very expensive device. And it's just super cool and fun to use. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel and pick up one of these here. I can't remember even the brand of what it was. It doesn't say on the box. It says something in Chinese, but you get it, so it's cool. Here, I'll show you guys up close what it looks like here. So you can see, the closer you get, the more little dots you see. But you can still see the picture really good, and that's surprising that the picture shows up so well. And somebody driving behind you, they see it from so far away that the picture looks really, really good. But that's it. So thumbs up for me. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Bye.